eat more plants. And it absolutely is the key to everything. It really is. But I want to give you a tool. So one of the things I do every day is I have my green drink, which you see, I always post about it. But it tastes really good, actually. It's like a citrus flavor. And it's good for everything. But the other things are, there's a bundle that has everything I do every day, which is the greens, the protein shake, and Fizz. You know, I love my Fizz. And the protein shake is great because it's 24 grams of protein. It's a meal replacement. You only have to mix it with water. And the Fizz is my all-time favorite focus. I usually have it in the afternoon because it has less caffeine than a cup of coffee, which I love. I'm drinking my coffee now. But it's a great pick me up and boost. It also helps with cravings, and it tastes really good. It comes in a bunch of different flavors. So that whole bundle is the Daily Essentials bundle, my daily